Today, we're going to talk about comparative advantage and trade. Let's take a look at the chart below. As we can see in the chart, country A can produce either 100 buses or 200 trucks with all of its resources and technology. Country B can produce either 50 buses or 250 trucks with all of its resources and technology. A country is said to have an absolute advantage if the country can produce higher quantity of a product than another country. As we can see from the chart, country A has an absolute advantage in producing buses, as it can produce 100 buses with all its available resources and technology, while country B can only produce 50 buses with all of its available resources and technology. Meanwhile, country B has an absolute advantage in producing trucks, as it can produce 250 trucks with all its available resources and technology, while country A can only produce 200 trucks with all of its available resources and technology. A country is said to have a comparative advantage if the country can produce a product with a lower opportunity cost than another country. In this case, country A has a comparative advantage in producing buses over country B, as the opportunity cost of producing one bus in country A is 2 trucks, while the opportunity cost of producing one bus in country B is 5 trucks. Conversely, country B has a comparative advantage in producing trucks, as the opportunity cost of producing one truck is 0.2 buses, while the opportunity cost of producing one truck in country A is 0.5 buses. Therefore, country A should specialize in the production of buses, as it has a comparative advantage in producing buses, and country B should specialize in the production of trucks, as it has a comparative advantage in producing trucks. Now, let's look at the graph. The graph demonstrates the benefits of trade. Without trade, country A can only produce what is on their PPF, between 200 trucks and 100 buses on the blue line. Meanwhile, country B can only produce what is on their PPF, between 250 trucks and 50 buses on the red line. As we can see with the green line, the PPF after trade is between 250 trucks and 100 buses, which leads to greater production of both trucks and buses for both countries. So, today we learned about absolute advantage, comparative advantage, and the benefits of trade. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you again in my next video.